We, the company Rainer, have made it to our task to constantly improve your workflows with our marking devices. For this reason, we offer you an interface with our Windows driver, which makes it easier for you to use a barcode scanner, database matching in combination with our Jetstamp Graphic 970. The advantages of this combination can be applied in various fields of modern companies. Our driver enables the conversion of the identification data after scanning a barcode, for example from an order, and passes it to our Jetstamp Graphic 970. Using our driver, the converted data is matched with a database that contains the suitable and correct marking. Thus, it is no longer necessary to retrieve the identification data yourself and send it to the printer. This optimizes your work processes and saves valuable working time. Rainer's Windows printer driver for the Jetstamp Graphic 970 ensures a more efficient marking process.